We have lost so many things due to mobile phone. No doubt, mobile phone is one of the biggest invention of this century. Mobile and internet both are the good inventions of this century. But we have lost so many things due to mobile phone. What are those things? Ahead in this video, I will discuss all those things in detail, and you are requested to stay with me in this video till end so that you never miss any point which I am going to discuss. And before this, if you are new on this channel, do subscribe because later on you forget. Let's get our video. As I told you in the beginning of the video that mobile phone, due to mobile phone, we have lost so many things. What are those things? First of all, we have lost radio. In previous area, in previous era, we used to listen news on radio and we enjoy it. But right now, due to the invention of mobile phone, the radio has been disappeared. Rarely you can find the radio sets. And after radio, we have lost the camera, the video camera also, and also the camera that takes the photographs. We have lost video camera and picture camera, both. And you can find nothing in bazaar, the studios, those who are designed to capture your pictures and photo albums. We are just seeing our old photo albums if we have, but we have lost all those things. And after this, we have lost the tape recorder. In previous era, we used to listen the songs, programs in a cassette, and for that a tape recorder is used to play that cassette. We have lost that tape recorder also. We have lost the landline phone. In previous area, people used to call through landline phone, but now due to mobile phone, you have this facility to listen calls and receive calls from all around the world while keeping your cell phone in your pocket. So we have lost the landline phone. Another thing that we have lost due to the invention of mobile phone, that we have lost the torch flashlight. In previous era, people used to keep torch when they walk in darkness or at night time. So due to mobile phone, we have lost the flashlight also. Due to mobile, we have lost the mirror also. I still remember that in previous era, I used to keep a small mirror in my pocket and a comb. And now you can rarely find small mirrors. And because due to mobile phone, you have this facility, open your camera and adjust your hair, or without opening camera you can also see your face in mobile phone. So due to mobile phone we have lost the mirror also. And there are other so many things that we have lost. Due to mobile phone we have lost the books, we have lost the newspaper. No, in present era people are not purchasing the newspaper because all the news cuttings are available on social media, and from there they can read all the news, they can read the articles on social media. And there are audio books on social media, and due to this we have lost the books and newspaper also. What other things we have lost? We have lost the film, movie, DVD, CD players, VCR players, TV. Even we have lost the TV because due to mobile phone, we can watch all TV programs on our cell phone. So most of the channels are disappeared from your TV screen because your TV set is no longer available at your home, and you are watching all your favorite programs through your internet, through mobile phone. And there are some other things that we have lost. We have lost the play cards, we have lost the wishing cards, greeting cards, because due to cell phone, due to social media, you wish others through sending messages. We have lost the pen paling. In previous era, people used to write letters to each other, and it takes time. But right now, due to the invention of mobile phone and internet and social media, you are sending letters, emails, and your messages all around the world with single click. So the charm of writing letter that we have in previous era, we have lost that letter writing, that pen peling. Through letter writing, we had at that time so many friends. Right now, we are using social media. So the writing letters and sending them through letterbox is, we have lost all these things. And also there are some other things that we have lost. We have lost the calendars. We have lost the maps. And even right now, with the invention of AI, we will lost the teachers, because all we need, we can explore, we can search through social media, through chat gpt and other platforms. So we are losing the teachers also. That connection, that love with the student and teacher is also becoming disappeared. And there is a main thing that we have lost. We have lost our activities. We have lost our physical games, because all games we are watching on we are playing on cell phone. So our physical activity is no more. So we have lost this physical activity due to the invention of mobile phone. And main thing that we have lost, that we have lost our eyesight, because if we are consuming too much time our social media, then there are the chances that we will lose our eyesight. So we should make a good use of social media. It is necessary, but the main thing is that whether we are watching good things, relevant things, or we are watching the irrelevant things. There may be so many other things, perhaps I have forgotten while talking in this video. And if you have any other thing that we have lost due to the invention of a mobile phone, you can mention below in the comment box, so other would know more about what we have lost due to the invention of a mobile phone. And main thing that we have lost our rest, because uh, early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and strong. But due to social media, due to the invention of mobile phone, we are browsing each and everything during night time, and we have no schedule of sleeping. So we are losing our health, we are losing our ability to stay healthy. So due to the invention of mobile phone, where we are getting so many benefits, we have lost so many things. And perhaps the new generation do not know the old things, because they don't have the practical experience of those things which I have mentioned in this video. But the old generation probably know about those things, and they are remembering still those moments and those things. And new generation will get motivation and information that what we have lost, what other people have lost, so many things which I have mentioned in this video, we have lost. And if you are inspired with this video, I request you to do subscribe and give your feedback below in the comment box. And if you remember anything which I have not mentioned in this video that we have lost due to the invention of mobile phone, you can write down, you can mention that thing below in the comment box for other informations. Right now, allow me from this video. I Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.